Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5, then click on this box, then type here 2, then click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool, then click on the fill, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this and rotate this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then you have to rotate this again. Then select this, then press and hold the shift key, then rotate this again. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take away again, then rotate this again. Then drag this in here. Then rotate this again. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select this again, then press and hold Alt key, then take away again, then rotate this again. Then drag this in here. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to select these layers again, then press and hold Alt key, then take away again, then you have to rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select all layers, then drag these layers in here, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here. Then select all layers, then select the shape builder tool. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then click on here. Then you have to select this area from here. Then you have to select the move tool. Then select these layers again, then select the shape builder tool. Then you have to click on here. Then select the move tool. Then select all layers, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select the shape tool again. Then you have to select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then click on the fill. Then select the white color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the stroke. Then select the black color. Then click on here. Then increase the size of the stroke. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Then right click on this, then click on the arrange, then click on the send to back. Then select this. Then go to the layer panel, then click on here. Then lock this. Then select all layers, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. After that, you have to select this and select the gradient tool, then click on here. Then select this and go to the properties, then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then you have to select this, then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select the move tool. Then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then you have to select this layer, then select the eyedropper tool. Then click on here. Then you have to select this and select the eyedropper tool again. Then click on here again. Then select the move tool. Then select this and select the eyedropper tool. Then click on here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select the shape tool, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then select this, then drag this in the center. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. Then you have to select these layers and drag these layers in here. Then click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as. Then select the location, then type the logo name. Then select the PNG format, then click on export. then select 300 ppi, then select transparent from here, then click on the OK. After exporting the image, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening the mockup. After opening the logo mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to double click on here again, then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then set this in here, then click on the tick mark. Then select the text tool, then click on here. Then type your company name in here. Then select this and click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select the shape tool. Then select the rounded rectangle tool. Then draw the shape in here. Then you have to select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this and press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then double click on here. Then write your company category in here. Then you have to select this. Then go to the properties. Then click on here. Then you have to select this font style. Then select the move tool. Then you have to decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this letters and drag these letters in here. Then press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Then you have to close these projects. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.